Alrighty, just want to show you where the Ontario police is stalking, where the fake sun is right over my head. I completed my purchase on surveillance cameras inside of Stater Brothers in Chino, California. I walk out into the parking lot and I'm showing you the fake sun in pictures that I take. The overweight minion that works for Stater Brothers is moving around shopping carts. He's stalking with noise in that parking lot in Chino, California, where the fake sun is squarely over my head. It is not over the Ontario Town Square, but it is square, meaning the natural environment. That would not be the case, right? But it is engaging in the pattern of being squarely over my head while I'm in Ontario at the Ontario Town Square, where also the Ontario Police Department is stalking by helicopter. All right, I want to be clear. The entity is engaging, this is how the demon-possessed engage in terrorism. Okay, this is crossing path. That's a demon that is stalking. All right, and you know it by the environment. They're also engaging what is directed light while they engage in that same supposedly innocent conduct that they want to appear normal, and they're not. They're demons that engage in molesting you with directed light. Also, while I'm on the bus, while I'm walking anywhere, they're demons that engage in stalking in plain sight, because that's what this is, with communication devices. While the police, by the way, are stalking by helicopter, an ongoing indication of their conduct. And this is what the Ontario International Airport's engaged in. Group stalking with the people. All right, this is terrorism and it's demonic at its core, and that's the Ontario Police Department prosecuting minions, the people of the state. The Ovid Family Community Library, the 280 North Limit Apartments, it doesn't matter how old these vessels are, those are demons with directed light across the building. As I've shown you on video, that's exactly what that demon is doing, targeting me, stalking. As you also know, because the Ontario Police is stalking by helicopter. Okay, this is terrorism. This is demonic pacing. He's driving in circles now again after directed light moving. This is what they were doing in Chino, California, city of Chino, doing the exact same thing. Demons. Okay, this is where the Ontario Police is stalking by helicopter. This is P.O.C. And this is 907. Remember, I capture pictures of the fake sun as I took pictures of right now. This is 280 North Limit Apartments, where the entities keep the fake sun is right here over the Ovid Family Community Library at 4 o'clock in the evening. It's at the same location. This is where the entity is stalking by planes. That's Ontario International Airport engaged in federal stalking, terrorism, demonic activity. They're not doing anything but criminal monitoring. This is how the demon-possessed engage in terrorizing you. Satan keeping its back to you, Satan calling itself engaging in some sort of event while the same exact pattern in the same exact environment is underway. This is a demon. This is license plate. He's going to federal prison, 7UAA077, and that is a very sick demon-possessed individual, by the way. He's going back and forth in directed light all across this building while he's doing so. He's stalking and doing so with the OPD, who are stalking by helicopter. He's definitely going to federal prison. So is John Gonzalez. All right, so is Moss. Okay, obviously Jason Lester. Jason Knight and Lester Keys. S. Patty, group stalking at the same Ontario Town Square where the entity kept the fake sun 3 o'clock in the afternoon. All right, this is not the sun that will be here at 4 o'clock. This is not the sun that will be here at 5:12 p.m. It is where the entity is stalking by helicopter. All right, 9:06 a.m. I have documentation of the entity keeping the fake sun over me at the DMV in Rancho Cucamonga. All right, this is a plethora of documentation. Those are psychopaths. That's the demon possessed. They're stalking with the police, monitoring with the police. This is why they're going to what our mental institution, federal prison. This is the malice that the demon-possessed engage in, and it's called federal group stalking and monitoring. Unmistakable evidence. This is not in Chino. This is directly over the 280 North Limit Apartments. That's where they're also concentrating directed light, where they're concentrating plane activity, the Ontario International Airport, engaging in terrorism with the Ontario Police. Yes, they are going to federal prison while I'm documenting the International Airport here, where the entity is monitoring me. This is P.O.C.